Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Rich Eric got me. You feel me? I'm back with another one, you dig? So check me out, check me out. Today we got the championship battle going down. So I did a little tournament, right? And off camera, and Mystic came out on top, right? And so yeah, now it's going up against Swinged. I don't know. You guys tell me how to pronounce it in the comments. I really don't know how to pronounce his name. Olkeus, or some shit. I don't know how to pronounce that shit. But yeah, it's about to go down, and you got Mystic Ultraus, 3A Zone Dash, and plus Z, and then we have. Oh yeah, also with the Mystic armor too. So yeah, I got the new black Mystic armor, and then we got winged Olkeus 2S Hold Dash, as you guys can see. So yeah, guys, we're about to get these two bad boys on the road in this battle, and yeah, let's get it popping. All right, you guys, it's about to go down. Ring out on Ultraus. That's one. Come on. That's what we're talking about, guys. Oh my god, guys, that was a freaking burst. Keep it as a ring out. Oh man, dude. Uh-oh. It just happened, guys. Just that quick, bruh. So, does that mean that I'm back to champion, since this is, you guys go. Never mind. Never mind, y'all. I thought something. I could have swore I just seen these slopes break, man. All right, we're gonna go. We're gonna see what happens. And there it goes, and it just knocked him out. And just like I said, the slope broke. Y'all see that? So what does that mean? Does that mean Olkeus loses his title, and me and Ultraus is back to champion, or Dread and Olkeus is still champ, and I should redo the battle? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, okay, guys, so what I did was, since his chip broke, it's just gonna have to use his teammate's chip, which is Samurai. So yeah. So that'll be so it was the one, then the one, then the burst. I won't count the burst, so that's two. I burst and I broke it. Damn, double ring up. Two. Oh. Stay in there. And steal your ass off. There you go. Ultra just took that, so it's tied up 3-3. Oh, Ultra just caught it slipping so shit. And there it goes, guys. There goes your winner. Ultras did it once again in a 1v1. Broken winged Olkeus, dude. Jesus Christ. And that means me and Ultras takes back the championship. So it went through 2 chips, man. I gave it a chance, y'all. Even though it wasn't his original chip, but still, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? It would have worked the same way, you know what I'm saying? And the chip I just used would have been working the same way. So, yeah. Dude, yeah. This thing just got shattered right before me and my brother's eyes that's sitting right here. Yeah, man. Annihilated. Freaking Mystic Ultras, man. The GOAT. The Mystic Pharaoh, man. Oh, snap. I'm dropping this great amazing day, man. But this thing is lit, and I'm loving this new purple on it. I'm not going to lie, but yeah, man. That was the battle. That's your new champion. Took back the title, so that means on the channel originally at first I pretty much was the champion. I was doing certain little battles. I had Ultras the champion, was pretty much the champion, destroying most of the base. It battled 9 times out of 10, or 8 times out of 10. But then it lost the title in the Ultra Cup Championship. Now this is the Ultra Cup. Well, the other one I did off camera was Ultra Cup 2, and it won that to go on to battle the champion. So it went and took back the title. So yeah, I'll be doing a tournament soon. The next one I'll do on camera when the new Drago is done and stuff like that. So once Chris Wolf get done with the new Drago, I will make the next tournament. And this one I will probably make it like a 8-bay tournament. So I slap all 7 of Drago Soul members, then probably 1 random regular like Sparking Bay or some shit like that. Like so yeah. So till then, stay tuned and support messing up on my words, and comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for all notifications when I drop a video, you feel me? And hit that subscribe button right down right there. Hit that subscribe button, you feel what I'm saying? So do that for your boy Brizzo. And yeah, boy, I'm out. Peace, deuces.